Hello viewers, it's me Ahmed Mahavi. Today I am to tell you what is email market. First of all, we have to open the Chrome and search here. What is email marketing? So here's the result. What is email marketing? MailChimp. I think it is not useful for us. It is not for us. Snail Peter, yes. Uh, Here it is. Email marketing is still ranked as the most effective marketing channel, beating out social media, SEO, and affiliate marketing. Why is it that with all the hype over new channels, why is decades old technology still one of the most effective marketing strategies? Despite the rise of social, people use email more than other platforms. After all, what's the good marketing to someone if there are not other? In addition, with email marketing, you own the connections. You don't have to worry about algorithm changes tanking your reach. That's why building a successful email marketing campaign is more important than ever. There is a problem. Most people don't know how to do it right. In fact, you have probably seen those people in your email box. This post will may walk you through tips and strategies for executing impactful email marketing campaigns. What is email marketing? Email marketing is the act of sending promotional messages to people in the mass communities. It typically is to generate sales or leads, and it may contain advertising. Remember, you are a guest in their box. People are inundated with entrepreneurship pitches and advertisements everywhere they look. So you might think your email is special. To the reader, your email is one in a million, and not in a good way. This is why it's important to remember where you are and use good manners. Getting into someone's inbox like being invited to their home for dinner. If they ask you to take your shoes off, you respectfully do so. I think that is enough for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys soon. Thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and comment in this comment section. Allah Hafiz.